Hello, ECE 240, and here we are, week 4, going right into chapter 3 that is focused on prenatal development and birth. This is a really exciting time in our class to really focus on the whole nature side, and that through this prenatal process, the importance of our nurture beginning in this moment during these critical 9 months before the time of birth. And so for this week, I have a video that will pretty much take up the most of your learning this week beyond your reading. But this video is one of the best videos that you will see that really does a great job on what they call the miracle of life. And I hope through this video, you gain an appreciation of the whole prenatal and birth process and truly the beauty, the innocence, and the miracle of creating a new life in this world. And I hope we just take a moment to appreciate that by watching the video. It's a great video. I will let you know how to get to that video in a little bit. But before we go into that really quick, really important, you have your first observation due very soon. So I hope that you have started to work on that, and that way you can turn in your observation templates through Canvas. Please, in your conversations, some good discussions happening. Really appreciate it. I'm seeing some usage already of APA, but please keep on trying to use APA and try APA on your last section of your template, that research section, okay? Sounds really good. So I want to start off with this quote right here. The power that governs human life is love and only love. And we can attach that love into the power of our nurture and how we need to be very intentional to set up good nurture the time that we find out that we're going to have a baby. Very, very critically important. Children are human beings to whom respect is due, and I hope you have gained a true appreciation and respect for life. If you don't have one, this will enhance it by watching this video we're going to watch in a little bit. Superior to us by reason of their innocence and of the greater possibilities of their future. And that's what this class is all about. How we as the adults can support, influence the possibilities of that child's future. And as we get deeper into the weeks, I hope you're watching these videos and the videos that I have for you, because you're going to be able to gain these tools that you can use in the real world after this class. And that's why I love teaching this class, is to provide you with real tools that can enhance the development of yourself and also of those children that you're going to have in your life, either being a teacher, a nurse, in the workforce, or even in your own personal life as well. All right. Well, let's get out of this really quick. And I have a great video for you to watch. And there's 2 ways to watch it. You can click on this link right here, The Greatest Miracle. You must watch this video this week. This video takes a little bit less than an hour to watch. It's a must. You will see this video as one of your questions, incorporated as one of your questions in your midterm. So I would urge you to take notes on this video. One of the things I want you to be aware when you watch this video, it starts to talk about when the baby in the womb starts to develop their hearing. And this is a golden opportunity that you can start reading to your baby. Nope, I know, call me crazy, but yes, we can start reading to our children that will support and enhance cognitive development, that will support and enhance already multiple brain connections, and will help support and enhance attachment, the relationship, because they will get to recognize your voice. Find out when it says that the ears are fully developed in the video, because at that moment, I urge all of you to take the time through science to understand when you can start reading, talking, and singing to your baby. You're going to click on this video. You're going to click on it one more time up here, and it loads it right here. Okay, so this is a PBS Nova video, and you can start it right here, about 54 minutes. Please watch the entire thing. Very, very important in this class. It's the only video that is that long that I will have you watch for this class. If for some reason that link does not work for you, there's another link that I have for you as well. You'll come down here and let's see here. Click on the bottom one right here that I'm showing you. All right, just pick close. Gonna want you to sign up for some stuff. And there it is right there. And you can watch it within this window. Okay, so 2 different links that lead you to the same place, but allowing you to be successful to watch this awesome video. It's a great video. It's really going to give you an appreciation for the whole prenatal process. And at the very end of this video, you will watch a live birth. Okay, this is part of human growth and development. And this, like I said, this video complements and enhances your book and your learning this week just in a great way. It makes it very real, very, very real. So I really hope you enjoy it and use it to your advantage. And once again, this video is going to be on your midterm. Please expect a question to connect to the video. So by watching it, you're really going to put yourself in a great position to be successful on your midterm. And also, just in your learning general, we're not doing things just to get ourselves for a great grade. We're doing things to enhance our knowledge, to build our capacity. So with this new information, we can use it in the real world. And that's what this class is about, that you will get the tools and the information you need to start to improve your decision-making and to support your ability to enhance your relationships as well. All right, so let's talk about, you got the video this week. Also, what you have this week is, of course, your question. So your question of the week gets into this. This video shows this couple that is doing the best of their ability to ensure that their nurture is at a maximum level to support the birth of their baby. But that doesn't always happen. And so the question that I have for you, should insurance companies be required to incur costs associated with childcare if the mother chooses not to take care of herself during pregnancy? For instance, she's smoking, she does not obtain prenatal care, or takes drugs. Also, as you think about that, what's the minimum of 2 interesting facts that you learned from the video? And what are some good prenatal care strategies you learned from the text? Okay, so a nice discussion, sharing things that you learned with your peers, due on Friday, and then your response to your peers due on Sunday. Okay, so you have that as your question, and then you also have your quiz on Sunday as well. Okay, so I wish all of you a wonderful week. Please take the time to watch that video. It's a great video, and start to connect that as we're starting to learn about the science of developmental stages, nature versus nurture. We'll switch that versus into an A&D later this semester. But this is where we start really understanding how precious, important life is and our role to ensure proper development, maximizing the ability for future success. And we do that one relationship at a time. And it even starts before that child is even born. I wish all of you a fun week, and I look forward to reading all of your posts. And I wish you the best. Have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye-bye.